Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create transparent text in Canva. Now for us to get this done, this is actually quite simple, and yeah, we're going to start with text, for example. So our main goal this time is basically to blend an image and a text. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one right here. Let's go ahead and have the spacing at 100, and we're going to make this big. So let's say around there. All right. Now the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to turn the color of this into white, and we're going to head over to effects, and we're going to use a lift effect. Now make sure to turn this one to 100. It has to be dark in order for it to be seen. Now if it's not dark enough, you can go ahead and just duplicate this one and then put it there back again in order for it to turn darker. So in my case, I usually find two of them to be okay. So I'm going to use that one, and let's go ahead and just download this one. All right, so there you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete this, and we're going to go ahead and bring that one here. Aside from that, we're going to head over to find some image. Let's go ahead and use winter as a keyword. Head over to the photos, and let's go ahead and use one of these. Let's go ahead and make sure it's free. Okay, let's say for example this one right here. I'm just going to go ahead and make this big. Now the next thing that we are going to do is just bring this one to the front. All right, just so I could choose this one as well. Now we're gonna head over to the apps, and then here at the top, search for blend image. We're gonna use this application here. So the bottom layer is going to be your main image, and then the top layer is going to be the text. And then if you are going to click add to design, you should be able to have the design here blended. So let's go ahead and watch the full image here. And that, everybody, is how you're going to create transparent text in Canva.